Sometimes I'd rather die. But they can't tell me lots of things, but I can't see eye to eye. I know they know the way I think, I know that they always will. But someday I'm gonna change my mind. Sometimes I'd rather kill. Bloodstains, speed kills, fast cars, cheap thrills, rich girls, fine wine. I'm up to since I lost control, I lost a mind. Things seem so much different now. The scene has died away. I haven't got a steady job and I've got no place to stay. Futuristic modern world, things aren't what they seem. Someday you're gonna wake up from this stupid fantasy. Bloodstains, speed kills, fast cars, cheap thrills, rich girls, fine wine. I'm lost since I lost control.